Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable dark mode on YouTube. First thing you do is open up your YouTube app. As you can see, mine is on dark mode. Now I'll show you how I did it. So the first thing you do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom, the extreme bottom. Then next tap on settings at the top right corner. Tap on general. Then you tap on appearance, and you make sure it's on dark theme. So if you also want the phone to your YouTube to use the theme being used currently by your system or your device, you simply tap on use device theme. It's as simple as that, but that means your device theme has to be set to dark if you want to use the dark theme. So you can use the device theme, make sure it is dark, or you use the dark theme. It's as simple as that.